Hi guys, thank you so much for joining. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, we are making this delicious meat pie filling. This is like the simplest way to go about this. I have an order for 100 pieces of meat pie, and this filling did justice to the numbers I needed. So if this is something you're interested in, go ahead and keep watching. In my pot I have some vegetable oil, so your oil depends on how much, like the quantity of filling you're making. So this measurement of oil should tell you that I'm making a whole lot. Okay, so what you want to do is to saute your onion. Go ahead and do that, just saute it for a few minutes, and the next thing you want to do is to add your shredded beef. Not shredded, your minced beef. What I did, I toast my freshly bought beef in my food processor and I processed it for a few minutes, and this is what it looks like. Mind you, if you don't have a food processor and your blender cannot go do this, I know the pause and play method works a lot, but not all blender is strong enough to do that as well. You can go ahead and add a bit of water to your blender and just blend away. Okay, trust me, when you finally add your blended beef to your oil and you stir fry like so, it's still going to come out as minced. So don't disturb yourself. Don't think, oh, I can't do it because my blender is not a processor, my blender can't do this. Your blender can do it. Just add a bit of water and it will come out as blended beef, and once you are frying it, the water is still going to dry up. So you want to continue stirring your beef like so until it's cooked, like the color changes to this. Okay, in my pan I have I bought beef. You want to make sure you are buying pure beef, no oil part or whatever funny part. Just buy pure beef, that way it's easier to blend and your blender will not break down. Okay, so once I've gotten the texture I needed for my beef, I went ahead to season my beef. Okay, I'm just adding my favorite seasoning. You can go ahead and just do seasoning cubes and salt, but yeah, you can also do as you wish. Your favorite seasoning will go well with this. So I'm just going to season this my way and we'll proceed to the next step. So you want to cover that for a few minutes and allow it to simmer. You can see how beautiful this looks. This is really nice. The flavor, the taste, everything is already given. Okay, so next you want to add your veggies. I have some finely chopped carrots. I like chopping my carrots to be this fine. So you want to add that, and you want to add your potatoes. Like I said, this is for commercial purpose. I am making 100 meat pies. So if you are doing this for your own use, you can go ahead and add just a few pieces of your veggies, but I'm adding more. I'm doing 30% beef, 30% carrot and 40% potatoes. So you can do 50% beef and share the veggies to be 50% if you want, but this is commercial. Like I said, it depends on how much you are charging your clients. That depends on how rich or how beefy you want it to look. So this is what I'm doing. Like I said, 30% beef, 30% carrots and 40% potatoes, and this is going to come out really nice. Just make sure you season real good. Okay, so this is it, and I'm just going to stir this to combine my veggies and everything, and just enjoy the rest of the video as it's very self-explanatory. If this is the first time stopping by, you are very welcome. Please do how to click on the subscribe button, because this channel, you are going to love it. And to all my OGs, to all you guys that have been here, thank you so much. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for liking, commenting, for sharing. I don't take this for granted. Okay, so enjoy the video. Like I said, I will catch you guys soon. guys, you want to cook this for a few minutes and you come back and check to be sure that your veggies is cooked. So press it like so, and once it melts, just know it's cooked. Now it's time to introduce your slurry, because this liquid we have to make sure everything dries in. So this is basically just flour and water. Go ahead and mix some flour in water to get a paste, and add that to your cooked veggies and beef. Once you do that, you will see it coming together, like it gets thick immediately. So stir this. If you still feel like there's more water, you can go ahead and mix a bit more. Just make sure everything comes together. As you can see, it came together like immediately. Okay, not almost immediately, this came together immediately. So once it's like so, just leave it for 1 to 2 minutes more and your filling is ready. It's 100% ready. So if this video was helpful, please do well to comment. Let me know how you make yours, because I know everyone have their own recipes or how they process theirs. So let me know if this was helpful at all. Like I said, this will serve 100 pieces of medium-sized meat pies. I actually use my cooking like my tablespoon. Just use your tablespoon. I do 1 full tablespoon for each pie. That is my measurement. You can do more, you can do less, that is you. But for me, I do 1 full spoon, and this quantity you see here serve 100 pieces complete. Actually, my measurement has to be this pot, because this pot have not failed. This size of pot is like what I used to eyeball what I will need, and it always saved me the stress. Okay, so go ahead and let me know in the comment section what you think, if this was helpful. And yeah, I would like to know what video you all would like to see next. If you have been on my channel, you know what I'm used to, so let me know what you would like to see next, so I can go ahead and satisfy you guys. Okay, thank you for stopping by. Have a blessed day. Like, comment, and of course share. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.